my god, look at the seagull on the back of Dad's car. I threw chips on the back and they're all coming over here. What is this? It's a mania over here.
Dude, I threw another chip like this, so they're gonna be coming really close.
Take some more. Let me get the bag. Let me get the bag. Get the bag. Let me get some. Yo, this is crazy. Is there any more?
Yes.
Oh my god. He just... Oh!
They're getting a little bit too close, bro.
Look at this. You ready, guys?
You little assholes.
Look at this.
Dad, we got them to land on your car.
Watch. Wait, don't drive off. I'm recording this.
This is so...
One almost had his head in the window. The 1 minute video already. I think they're gone. I think they're going somewhere else. We threw them on the floor and everything. They were going all over the place.
Oh, you want one?
Oh! They're coming back. They're coming back. Freaking seagull just comes out of nowhere, swoops down. Imagine if we have seagulls chasing us while we're driving. Oh, here they are.
They're attacking the seagulls.
He attacking the seagulls, bro. Close documentary of birds. Here he is. Look at him.
Sea of seagulls.
Oh, he's throwing bread. Oh my god, they're gonna go crazy over the bread. The bread is right.
Whoa, dude, look at that chip. If they go for that chip, they're gonna have a close encounter. A really close one.
Oh my god.
Eat the bread. Lick food?
He's eating the bread.
He ate the bread. What up?
Oh my god.
The window closed.
Oh my god.
Leave the window closed here. Throw this out the crack.
It's very close. It landed in the bag, though. No, it did not. Yeah, it did. It landed in the back of the car. This is bird mania. What is this?
So yeah, my God,
I want to get one in the car.
oh my God.
They ate it.
Dude.
Oh.
A burger at the window. Shut the door.
Dude, look at that. Look at all of them.
Look at him. Oh, he just stole them. Oh my god. Look at how many.
Don't poop.
Yeah.
Oh my. Let me see. I want to see if they'll get it out of my hand. You ready?
Baby, don't put your finger out too much.
I've gotten pecked by the chickens before. Oh my god, here he comes. Guys, no. Oh my god. Nuh-uh. Yo, if they take it, I swear to God. They can smell it. They can smell it from right here.
They're all on the Burger King thing, bro. So guys, go to your local Burger King in Lawrence if you want to do this. And also, this video is not sponsored. Okay? Just because I mentioned Burger King, it's not sponsored. I don't know how to edit, so yeah. So. Don't move! Shut up. Because you can go for it.
Oh shit, nigga landed on top of the hood of the truck.
Yep, they're freaking savages, bro.
They pooped.
They're savages. Flipping savages. Yeeted the phone. Oh, here he goes. They're going down for that swoop. Oh! Bird mania. Damn, why do they love the bread so much? I wish they had a whole loaf of bread. Feed them all. Wait.
What does that mean? Attack of the birds.
Huh?
Attack of the birds when you put it on YouTube.
I just said something. We can come back here.
You want this on YouTube?
Go for it, whatever. You're doing yourself.
Jesus. Oh my. What is this?
Dude, we're kind of like friends to them.
I'm gonna end the video here. This is something else.